Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You step into the Iceberg lounge and move deliberately toward the penguin. Keep your hands visible and lower your center. This reduces perceived threat. Once done, pause 2-3 seconds and let the penguin orient. Offer a snack or low-noise gadget at arm's length to redirect attention. Make sure to keep an escape path clear. You're initiating contact, not forcing it, so watch body language and adjust distance slowly to avoid escalation. You begin speaking with calm, even tones, giving 3-5 seconds between phrases to let the penguin process. This slows interaction and prevents surprise. Watch for flapping, head tilt, and changes in call. These are your decision points. If flapping or rapid vocalizing ramps up, back up about 1 meter and reduce stimuli. If the penguin relaxes, no flapping, softer calls, advance by roughly 0.5 meters and maintain a steady, reassuring rhythm. This step is active reading and gentle adjustment. You move in to complete your objective, retrieve an item, collect data, or de-escalate, while keeping movements minimal and predictable. Once done, withdraw slowly along the path you entered. Sudden turns can trigger chase behaviors. If the penguin becomes aggressive, raise any barrier available and step back 2-3 meters while presenting a distraction snack to break focus. One key troubleshooting tip: repeat the same calm command phrase. Consistency reduces confusion and often resets the penguin's behavior.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.